First time mo bang gagamit ng prosthetic leg? Don't worry. Lahat ng magagandang bagay ay dumadaan sa proseso. Some things are worth the wait. Everything starts with casting. Dito kinukuha namin ang exact shape ng iyong residual limb para masigurong sakto, comfortable at durable ang magiging prosthetic leg mo. After casting, we move to fabrication. This is where your new prosthetic leg is born, carefully handcrafted by our OrthoWorks PH specialist using lightweight and durable materials. Habang ginagawa ang prosthetic leg mo, pinaghahandaan din ng katawan mo ang iyong bagong journey, both physically and mentally. Sundin ang mga exercises at proper nutrition na ibinilin namin sa inyo habang hinihintay ang prosthetic leg mo. Once your prosthetic leg is ready, we go through the final fitting. Dito mo unang masusuot ang prosthetic leg mo. Expect na medyo may paninibago sa una, normal lang yan. We'll adjust the alignment and height na akma sa iyong posture para mas komportable at mabilis mong maibalik ang balanse mo. Next step, gait training. This is where the magic happens. Step by step, you'll relearn how to walk with confidence. Tutulungan ka ng aming team na ma-develop ang iyong balance, posture, coordination, at proper weight bearing. Remember, your muscles and your mind are learning something new. Be patient. Consistency is the key. Always wear your silicone liner or soft liner properly, keep your skin clean, and inform us if you feel any unusual pain. We'll schedule a catch-up days para ma-check kung kumusta ang fit and comfort ng prosthetic leg mo. Little by little, mapapansin mong mas nagiging smooth, stable, at confident na ang lakad mo. Bumabalik na ang iyong balance, mas natural at normal na iyong lakad. That's your comeback moment. From being dependent to unstoppable. With OrthoWorks PH, we don't just make legs, we build comebacks. So if you're starting your journey, remember this. Book, cast, deliver, and trust the process. Because some things, especially your first confident walk, are worth the wait.